Huge one. Got him. Oh, got him.
Got him! That was awesome. One of the most effective tools for catching big muskies and big pike out of heavy cover are these dive and rise style jerk baits. Now you might look at these baits and say, there is no way that you could throw these things into heavy slop. I'm talking matted cabbage, milfoil, deer tongue beds like that you find up in Sunset Country, but believe it or not, these are almost more weedless than a spinnerbait. And big pike and big muskies spend a lot of time in the weeds in this part of the world. So these are my favorite tools for doing that. So this is the Rapala Super Shad, and this is the original 10-inch floating suic. So this isn't a weighted jerk bait. The key with both of these baits is they're extremely buoyant. So the idea is you'll cast into lanes or pockets in heavy cover, and you pull the bait down, provide slack, and let the bait back up. The buoyancy backs the bait up, and so you can get these baits to hunt into little pockets in that cover, and it's amazing the strikes you get there. The fish just, boom, they just roll up and explode on it. It is really some of the sweetest bites that you'll ever get doing it, and it produces really, really big fish. Now, it takes a little practice to get used to fishing this style of lure. Again, the idea is you dive the bait down and you're kind of managing your slack. You want to keep pushing the bait down, hunting into the cover, and when you make contact with one of the plants, you just let the bait back up, you give it slack, and the bait will back up in reverse, and then you can push it back down, push it back down. If you do happen to get caught up in the cover, that's a good thing. What you want to do is just kind of shake the rod tip, bang, 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 and what that's doing is it's alerting other fish in the area, anything that's in the area, that plant is moving, there's commotion. The fish's strike zone is very narrow in that heavy cover. They can't see very far, but they can feel what's going on. So if you get hung up, shake the plant a little bit, shake it, shake it, shake it, and then with a little slack in the line, give it a quick snap, and that's gonna, poof, just bust the bait through the cover, let it rise back up, and off in the next pull, you'll just get creamed by a big pike or a big muskie. So for me, I would never go to Ontario Sunset Country without dive and rise baits, especially when you know you're gonna be fishing in the weeds, because there isn't a better tool that I've seen for catching them out of it.
Hey, for more information, check out visitsunsetcountry.com or call 1-800-665-7567 to get a free guide and map.